Totoo, no? Ladies and gentlemen, candidates numbers 1 and 2.
Moment na kami dito
Ito na pala yung first runner-up winner. Bago ang lahat, bago natin buksan ang mga floor for questions, I would just like to hear from Bea and from Andrea. Ano yung pinaka-nararamdaman niyo tonight is basically celebrating the two of you being part of this beautiful family, New Star Online. Anong pakiramdam doon?
Well, for me, it feels great. It feels amazing because I like that New Star is actually supporting and celebrating creativity on like the big stage. Because we all know that Filipinos are very talented. You know, and now we get to show the world what we can do in our own way and do it really well.
I love that so much. It truly is a community more than anything else.
Yes, and actually, I'm really excited that New Star advocates for responsible drinking. And also to answer your question, I'm really excited because this is also my first time working with Ate Bea.
That's right.
So, I'm just really excited because ang tagal ko na po kilala si Ate Bea actually.
Since you were...
Since I was 10 years old.
She was 10 and I was 15.
At yun na po kami nagka-work talaga, like magkasama po.
Matagal ko na talagang dito.
Yes, so
I'm proud of the
bond you have. Thank you po, Ate Bea. And I'm really happy for you. Yun ang masasabi ko, Ate Bea. I'm really happy for Ate Bea.
It's like a full circle moment, you know. Iniidolo mo before, nakikita mo, napapanood mo. Kilala mo siya, and right now you're working together in one amazing project that celebrates, like what you said, the individuality of Filipinos.